Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my fans, Wethu TV. We're at the Ultra Bar. It's the Petway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 3, Orbit College 1. I'm trained by the manager.
Thank you, Stibo.
Sure, man.
Thank you very much, Stibo, for who's joining us on the Ultra Bar.
Sure.
For sure. We are so grateful with the whole day seeing my friends Wethu.
Yes, man.
Saibonge supporting. As from today onwards, I think Mina and my friends, Tina, Ultra Bar staff,
yes.
management, yes. I think Nani, yes. My friends Wethu, Sesine connection as from today onwards.
Yes, man.
I think manje routine is winning anytime we are invited.
Any game
yeah, for sure.
Nama fans wethu angafika nje upload nje kube mnandi man.
For sure.
Hlalo nje baphathe fresh the way.
Sascreen Betway.
Yes.
Barclays Premier League, Barclays or
yes,
EPL.
Yes. Any games. Any kumnandi
rugby.
Bekheli kamnani ngibone nabo sisabahle. Madoda. Angatholi la weSoweto man. Yangithola. Babuye Soweto babloma yini. No wonder kasingababoni. Uyangithola man. Hayi thank you man so stay kamnandi man. Ngiyangithola into ngisho so anytime mandlala igame abantu bafike babhekelela igame. Ngiphethe ama drinks.
Cocktails.
Ngiphethe igawulo,
tapas, pizzas.
And it's all affordable, man. Ngonile ukuthi imali yenu ayibulali kakhulu. Hayi asibonge Rodman.
Thank you
Rodman. Awufuna ukukhuluma ngegame nyana?
Igame mina ibhakani.
Yeah, wahlabahla.
Basilekile nabo bashaya nje ngebhakani 6 nyana.
Yeah. The man of the match unayaba Rodman.
Man of the match ile ntwana le bathu bandle eshaye igoal lesithule.
Sure, Shaba. Yeah. Okay, and then ileague wena uzoyithatha. Ngoba amakhosi nabo massive bathi ngathi bazokuthathela no number 2 Rodman. Kuraf Rodman. Ile Sundown.
Spirit sakho the league is on the race.
Yeah. It's still fair.
But sasekhona on.
Sure.
Yeah, still.
And then Rodman kule ndawo nivula Monday to Sunday or nivula kanjani? Tuesday to Sunday.
Yes.
And then nivula kanjani or 2 days holiday that's why you open. And then I'm working hours Rodman.
During the week is from 11 to 11 episode.
Yes.
And then Friday, Saturday from 11 to 1.
Yes, man.
And then Sunday 11 to 11.
Yes.
So Sundays special say 13. Sunday course.
What Sunday course?
Sunday Safula.
In 7 or like 7 colors.
Yeah, 7 colors. Okay.
Abantu mabakhathele baphume esontweni bangapheka they can just come
nama specials nama specials for Sunday.
Yes.
Kona 2 for 1 bubble.
Yes, man.
I mean a half price bubble.
Yes.
So mautenga Ilena champagne.
Yes.
I mean sparkling wine.
Yes, man.
You get one for free.
Oh.
Yes.
You buy one, get one for free.
Yes.
And there is this special that goes on Fridays, Tibo.
Yes.
It's a cocktail jar.
Yeah.
So between 3 and 6.
Yes.
Yeah. You buy one, you get one free.
A cocktail.
It's a banging.
Imagine. Study cocktail.
Yeah. So right now we're here to accommodate.
Yeah.
You want cocktails? You want pasta? You want pizza? You want tapas? We are here for
also
you.
Saturday,
Yeah.
Pizza special.
Yes.
2 for 1.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I even see professional chefs there. Umuntu upheka umpekile. Upheka umpekile nje straight uyangithola. Nenda we safe Rodman ipheka singaphandle. Asizwa ama gunshots, asizwa ama ini kumnandi. It's relaxing.
Come to Greenside.
Yeah.
Ultra Bar.
Ultra Bar Rodman.
Is the name for it.
Maka straight address Rodman.
It's 26 Glen Eagles Road.
Yeah.
Greenside.
Greenside.
It's Johannesburg. To say run back.
Yes Rodman, asibonge kakhulu baba.
Ubonga mina.
Ikhona enye into ufuna ukuyisho
Hayi mnandi.
Umnandi. Thank you Rodman. Thank you Rodman. Thank you Rodman. Thank you Messi. Thank you Messi.